everyone, my name is Roxalyn Humawan. The continuation of the topic selecting what to benchmark. Number 4, collect and analyze data. Gather data on your own performance and the performance of your benchmarking partners. This stage is all about gathering and interpreting and performance to understand your organization's performance relative to your chosen benchmarks. The process involves both internal and external data collection. Internal data. This stage comes from within your own organization. Sources include operational data, financial data, human resources data, internal survey, and feedback. Operational data, production figures, sales numbers, customer satisfaction scores, defect rates, cycle times, etc. This data reflects the efficiency and effectiveness of your internal processes. Financial data, cost, revenues, profit margins, return on investment, ROI, etc. This data provides the financial perspective on performance. Human resources data, employee turnover, absenteeism, training cost, productivity metrics, etc. This shows the effectiveness of your human capital management. Internal survey and feedback. Data from employee surveys, customer feedback form, or internal assessment can provide value a qualitative insight. And the external data, this information comes from outside your organizational, providing a comparative context. Public sources and revenue survey, industry reports, benchmarking partners. Public sources, government, statistics, industry, publications, market research reports. Survey, industry-wide survey can provide aggregated data on key performance indicators or KPIs. Industry reports from consulting firms or industry associations often contain benchmarking data. Benchmarking partners, directly contacting partner organization with their consent, of course, to obtain their performance data is a powerful way to gather detailed and specific comparisons. Analyze data. And sa analyze data, compare your performance against the benchmarks and identify areas where you are falling short or excelling. Analyze data. And sa analyze data, once data is collected, the critical step is analysis. This involves comparison. Directly compare your organization performance against the benchmarks across chosen KPIs. Gap analysis. Identify performance gaps where you fall short of Benchmarks also highlight areas of excellence where you outperform the benchmarks. Root cause analysis. For performance gaps, investigate the underlying causes. Why are you underperforming the specific areas? This requires through investigation and possibly further data gathering. Data visualization. Use charts, graphs, and other visual tools to present the findings clearly and consistently. Number 5. Create action plans. Develop specific action plans to address any performance gaps you've identified. This stage translates the data analysis into concrete improvements. It's about developing and implementing strategies to close performance gaps and leverage areas of strength. Develop specific action plans for each identified performance gap. Create a detailed action plan that includes specific goals, responsibilities, resources, timeline. Specific goals. What need to be improved? Set measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound or SMART goals. Responsibilities. Assign ownership and accountability for each action item. Resources. Identify the necessary resources, budget, personnel, technology to implement the plan. Timeline. Establish a realistic time for implementing the action. Implement changes. This is the execution phase. Put your action plans into action, making necessary change to processes, systems, or strategies. This may involve changes in technology, training, workflow, or organizational structure. Monitor progress. Regularly track your progress against the benchmark. This involves collecting data on the effectiveness of your implemented changes. Use control charts or dashboards to visualize progress and identify any issues early on. This monitoring helps ensure the action plans are effective and allows for adjustment as needed. That's all. Thank you.